And in the comfort, heating and ventilating, water drainage and plumbing, air conditioning and refrigeration. And building services comprises of communication lines, telephones and IT networks, energy supply, that means gas, electricity and renewable sources, escalators and lifts, fire detection and protection, heating, ventilation and air conditioning, lightning protection, low voltage systems, distribution boards and switchgear, natural lighting and artificial lighting, and building spaces and security and alarm systems, ventilation and refrigeration, water drainage and plumbing. We are cover these all the points and discuss later. And now tell what is the necessity of service for buildings. Imagine yourself in the most fabulous building in the world. Now take away the lighting, heating and ventilation, the lifts and escalators, acoustics, plumbing, power supply and energy management systems, the security and safety systems, and you are left with a cold, dark, uninhabitable shell. Is it not? Everything inside a building which makes it safe and comfortable to be in is considered as building services. A building must do what it was designed to do, not just provide shelter, but also be an environment where people can live, work and achieve. Building services are what make a building come to life. Building services are the dynamics in a static structure, providing movement, communications, facilities and comfort. The capital and installation costs of building services in modern buildings can take up 50% of the total construction budget. You can just visualize 50% of total construction budget, it is depending on building services. For highly serviced buildings such as sports centers, this figure can easily exceed 75%. Services can also take up 15% of a building's volume. Therefore, building services cannot be ignored. So it is very important subject, and it is very easy also, because in daily life we are observing these all the parameters, but it is important we should learn in depth, in detail, and it is very beautiful subject and very applicable subject in day-to-day life. And personally what I am telling, it is also scoring subject, because it's full of theory, problematics, very few problems are there, and it is good subject. Building service systems encompass mechanical, electrical, security, safety, information and communication systems, among others. The systems are installed to support the required business functions of the building. Here, office buildings are mainly focused and the needs of the occupiers. It is therefore essential that maintenance be carried out with minimal interruption to this, while still meeting the user's needs either through reliability or maintainability to optimize whole life cost. The ability of the buildings